Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how you can make your Shopify business more sustainable and eco-friendly. We'll cover everything from packaging to sourcing products to even using renewable energy. So, if you're ready to make a positive impact on the planet while crushing it with your business, keep watching. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about packaging. It's time to ditch the plastic and switch to eco-friendly options. Think biodegradable packaging, recycled cardboard boxes, and compostable mailers. Customers love seeing businesses that care about sustainability. Now I know what you're thinking. Mr. Beast, this eco-friendly packaging sounds expensive. Listen, I get it, but here's the thing, it doesn't have to break the bank. Plus, you can even turn it into a selling point for your brand. So ditch the plastic, embrace the eco-friendly options, and let's make this planet a greener place, one package at a time. Alright, now that we've tackled packaging, let's talk about the products themselves. Sourcing sustainable products is like leveling up your eco-friendly game. It's about finding products that are made ethically, with minimal environmental impact. Think about it, products made from recycled materials, sustainably sourced wood, organic cotton, you name it. Now I know sourcing sustainable products might seem daunting, but trust me, it's easier than you think. There are tons of amazing suppliers out there who are just as passionate about the planet as you are. You just gotta find them. Start by researching your current suppliers. See if they have any sustainable practices in place, or if they offer any eco-friendly product lines. Remember, transparency is key. Look for suppliers who are open about their manufacturing processes and materials. Finding sustainable products might take a little extra effort, but it's so worth it. Chapter 3, Recycling Program. Let's get circular. Alright, let's talk trash. No, seriously. Setting up a recycling program for your Shopify business is a game changer when it comes to sustainability. It's all about closing the loop and keeping those valuable materials out of landfills. First things first, you need to figure out what materials you're actually using in your business that can be recycled. Cardboard boxes, paper, plastic packaging, even electronics. These can all be recycled. Once you know what you're working with, it's time to find a recycling solution that works for your business. You can partner with a local recycling center, hire a waste management company, or even set up a system where you collect and sort your recyclables in-house. And hey, you can even get your customers involved. Offer a discount or a small reward to customers who recycle their packaging or old products. So, let's get those recycling bins ready and show the world that we're serious about keeping this planet clean. Chapter 4, Renewable Energy. Power up your business. Let's talk about energy, baby. Switching to renewable energy sources is like plugging your Shopify business into the power of the future. Not only is it good for the planet, but it can also save you money in the long run. Imagine this, your business running on sunshine. Solar panels are a fantastic way to generate clean, renewable energy right on your own rooftop. You'll be reducing your reliance on fossil fuels and shrinking your carbon footprint like a boss. But hey, I get it. Not everyone has the space or the budget for a full-blown solar panel installation. That's where other renewable energy options come in. You can explore wind power, hydroelectric power, or even partner with an energy provider that sources its electricity from renewable sources. So, ditch those fossil fuels, and let's power up our businesses with the incredible force of nature. Chapter 5. Promote eco-friendly practices. Shout it from the rooftops. Okay, we've talked about eco-friendly packaging, sustainable products, recycling programs, and renewable energy. Now it's time to spread the word. Promoting your eco-friendly practices is like turning your Shopify business into a beacon of sustainability, attracting customers who share your values. First things first, let's get those product descriptions popping with eco-friendly details. Highlight the sustainable materials, the ethical sourcing, the fact that your packaging is biodegradable or recyclable. Don't be shy, shout it from the rooftops. Next up, create content that showcases your commitment to sustainability. Share behind-the-scenes peeks of your eco-friendly packaging process, your recycling program in action, or your awesome renewable energy setup. People love seeing the real deal. And hey, why not get your customers involved? Host contests or giveaways that promote eco-friendly practices. So let's spread the word and inspire others to join the eco-friendly revolution. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on making your business better for the planet. By making small changes to your Shopify business, you can make a big impact on the planet. Together, we can create a greener, more sustainable future for generations to come. See you next time.